Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new razor. The packaging includes everything that we're going to need. A nose and ear hair trimmer, a micro trimmer, a design trimmer, a U-blade trimmer, a T-blade trimmer, lubricating oil, a cleaning brush, a charging cable to go ahead and recharge your trimmer, a comb, and then 2 other adjustable guards. And then of course our trimmer.
This multifunctional beard trimming kit will meet all of the men's grooming needs. This will allow you to have a beard trimmer, hair clipper, nose hair trimmer, and an electric razor for men, as well as a design trimmer all at once. The heads are easy to swap out and make detailed trimming of your beard a breeze. The men's grooming kit also comes with a travel storage box for convenience. This kit comes with a powerful lithium-ion battery, so with just 1.5 hours of charging time, you can use it for up to 90 minutes. And the high-quality motor produces low noise, coupled with the wireless design and an LCD display screen. You can gauge whether it's good enough juice to finish the hair trimming job or if you need to charge it a little bit more. It even has high-performance self-sharpening stainless steel blades and an IPX7 waterproof rating. This will make a great gift for anyone in your family as well.